Marriage is a covenant, it's an agreement, it's sealed, and God is the witness. Today we are not just standing before men, we are standing before God. And the greatest thing about this witness is that he will always be available even when all of us are not available. And this witness, you can always call upon him when matters are tough. In fact, marriage is a union between two imperfect people before a perfect God. It is your focus on the perfect God that will shift your imperfections. When you focus on each other, nothing will ever change. So the focus has to be on God, and that God will begin to perfect both of you in every area of your life.
Today marks the celebration of a resilient love that didn't fade with time or distance. My sheer stubbornness and doubts, bigger than Thomas's, could not stop your unshakable belief that this moment right here was always our destiny. Our first trip together in Nakuru, you stood in front of some of our friends who are here today and said that this man's love healed you. However, along the way, we both know who truly needed the healing more. Thank you for helping me shape the man I am today.
My love, from the moment you came into my life, you became my safe place, my greatest joy. And my truest home. I have seen in you a love that heals, a love that strengthens and carries me, and a love that makes life brighter than I could ever dream it could ever be. I vow to honor and respect the person you are and the person God has destined you to be. I vow to stand by you till you fulfill the purpose God has given you, supporting you as God strengthens me. I vow to stand beside you in every season, in good times and in bad, believing in us, loving you without condition or end. Of course, not leaning on my own understanding, but the guidance of the Holy Spirit. I will listen when you speak, hold you when you're weary, stand in the gap when need be, intercede for us, and celebrate with you when your heart is full. No matter what the road ahead holds, you will never walk it alone. I will always be by your side until the end of time, and I'm sure that heaven will back us up. I will choose you, my moonlight, again and again for all my days with the same sincere certainty I have in my breath. And so, with all that I am and all that I have, I say to you the words Ruth spoke. Wherever you go, I will go. Wherever you live, I will live. Your people will be my people. Your God will be my God. Wherever you die, I will die. Sorry. Wherever you die, I will die, and there I will be buried. May the Lord punish me severely if I ever allow anything but death separate us. I love you, my love. forever and always.
Hata mimi nilikuwa kama wewe siku moja na sasa nikakupata. Hata mimi I am expecting hata wewe will be made proud penye umenifanya proud. Mungu akubariki. Akutende ya leo. Love you so much. Love you so much and bye. Pronouncement. Love you so much my dear. My baby girl. I don't know. Sijui niseme nini mbele za Mungu. Kusema tu Mungu asiti kukubariki.
Kitu ingine, my daughter and my son. Mara nyingi watu wanasemanga maisha ni sharp iko straight. Msidanganya na mtu yeyote. Lakini watu wanaomjua Mungu, Mungu anawapeanga hekima na kunyenyekea na wanapendana wakiendelea kukosoana.
Pius, you can now kiss the bride.
Baby, be my love. Would you be my lover?
I do.
You and me forever. We'll be together.
I do.
Baby, be my lover.
So today, I promise I will choose you every single day, in the sunshine and in the storms, when you are your best self and when you are not.
And now I want to announce, by the authority committed to me as a minister of the Church of Christ, I declare that Pius and Judith are now husband and wife